Your 50th birthday is in the past. Mine is also in the past. You've noticed that you're not quite as steady on your feet. Your balance isn't quite what it used to be. Maybe you reach for the banister a little bit more often. Maybe walking over uneven ground doesn't come quite as easily as it used to. The mobility and flexibility of your body has started to decrease, and perhaps the lower back area is not quite as strong and stable as it once used to be. And your energy, your vitality, your mood and your stamina have dropped somewhat as well. Don't worry. You are not alone. It affects most of us, the best of us, even those who attend classes and do all the things that we're supposed to do. The fact is, as we get a bit older, the system does tend to deteriorate a little bit. And this is because, as we get a bit older, the circulation of the life force through the body decreases. The circulation of the blood and the energy to the different parts of the body declines. And so the strength of the body systems also declines. The other thing is that we do tend to not use our body systems quite as much as we could. And it's a use it or lose it situation. Take mobility and flexibility, for example. Often we spend our days focused in this small area of movement just in front of us, typing, drinking, talking from here. And rarely do we explore the whole range of movement possibilities that exist within the body, because we're not really needing to do that during our daily lives. The result is things restrict and get a little bit worse. Balance as well. We don't tend to challenge it. So when we really need it, it's not there. It's not that your system has deteriorated beyond repair. It's just it's underused. These systems aren't trained. And if you focus a bit of time and attention to retraining the systems, you'll find you can get the capability back in all of these things, whether it be leg strength and power, whether it be balance and stability, whether it be foot agility and your ability to find your balance when you fall, or the looseness and the freedom in your joints, or the upper body posture, or the strength and stability in your lower back. All of these things can be retrained. The Stay Capable system works on 4 levels. Firstly, by increasing the subtle circulation through the body using mobilizations and breath work. And then the circulation of the body is increased by doing gentle stretches and breathing exercises, combining moving and stretching and breathing at the same time. Then we start to add a little bit of load onto the body systems, using the muscles in the way that they're designed to be used, doing a little bit of functional movement, testing the mobility, and then we start to add a little bit of intelligent stress to the system so that they start to get a bit stronger as a result of being stressed. Bones, for example, are living tissue. When they get a little bit of a shock, that stimulates them to get a bit more circulation. The tendons, when you hold the body in certain positions and stress the body intelligently, it causes the tendons to get more circulation. That circulation can increase the strength of the body systems. So, who am I to tell you what to do to restore your capability? I'm Alex. I will hopefully be your teacher. I've been working in movement and martial arts, different types of therapy for over 40 years now. I've worked as a shiatsu therapist. I'm a senior yoga teacher. I've trained other people to teach yoga. I'm a senior qigong teacher. That's like the basic building blocks of Tai Chi. And I've done all sorts of different meditation and movement and martial arts from all over the world. And I've also experienced a large number of injuries through my body, which I have restored back to full strength using the technology that I can teach you. The Stay Capable course is a 12-week course where you work with a series of online classes, personal one-to-one instruction from me, short video courses and personalized video movement snacks, as it were, to help restore you bit by bit, gradually back to a higher level of capability in all of the body systems we're working with, mainly leg strength, power, balance, upper body posture, mobility, flexibility, and abdominal health and spinal strength and health. Those are the main areas we work with, alongside energy and cognitive sharpness and mental energy and mood. So if that's something that feels like it resonates with you, if it sounds like it's something that might be useful to you, then book an assessment, book a capability assessment. That's a chat between you and I to establish where you're at, how you are, and if the Stay Capable system is suitable for you, because it might not be. Something else might be, but the first step is to find out, get to know each other a little bit and find out if what I do is appropriate for you. So click the link, book an assessment, and let's find out if this is something that might help you.